Hi everyone! You've decided to start a business? That's fantastic. You have a brilliant idea, a brand name you love, and you're ready to find the perfect product to sell. You head over to Alibaba, the world's biggest marketplace for finding suppliers, and you feel that rush of excitement. You see thousands of products, and the prices look amazing. This is it. This is how you're going to build your dream. But then, you click on a product you absolutely adore, and you see it, MOQ 1,000 pieces. Your heart sinks just a little bit. 1,000 pieces? You're just starting out. You don't have the budget or the warehouse space for that many items. It can feel like a huge roadblock, a sign that maybe this is harder than you thought. This is a super common feeling for new entrepreneurs. The minimum order quantity, or MOQ, is the smallest number of units a factory is willing to produce for you in a single order. For big established companies, ordering thousands of units is just a normal Tuesday. But for a small startup, a home-based business, or someone just testing a new product idea, a high MOQ can feel like an impossible mountain to climb. One of the easiest, fastest ways to find products with low MOQs on Alibaba is to head straight for the ready-to-ship section. Think of this as Alibaba's express lane. Instead, these are items that the supplier already has in stock, sitting in their warehouse, just waiting for a buyer like you. You can often find products with an MOQ as low as 1 or 2 pieces. Beyond the ready-to-ship section, Alibaba has some powerful search filters that can help you zero in on low MOQ suppliers. Scroll down until you find the one labeled Min, Order. This is your secret weapon. If you know you can't possibly order more than 100 units for your first run, you would simply type 100 into this box. Instantly, Alibaba will refresh the page and magically filter out all the suppliers who require you to order more than 100 pieces. There's another corner of Alibaba that many new importers overlook, the wholesale section. For example, a supplier of phone cases might list a price of $2 per unit if you buy 50 to 199 pieces. This is fantastic for a growing business because it gives you a clear path to scale. You can start with an order of 50 units, and as your sales grow, you can place larger orders and automatically get a better price. So you've found the perfect product from a supplier you really like, but their listed minimum order quantity is still a little higher than you'd prefer. This is where your negotiation skills come into play. Don't be intimidated. Start by introducing yourself and your business. Show them that you are a serious entrepreneur, not just a casual window shopper. You could say something like, "Hello, my name is Sarah, and I'm the founder of a new online store in the United States specializing in eco-friendly home goods." After your introduction, you can gently bring up the minimum order quantity. Frame it as part of your business strategy. As we are a new company, our initial strategy is to launch with a smaller test order to gauge market response before placing a larger bulk order. Be prepared to offer something in return for their flexibility. You can make the deal more attractive by offering a compromise. I understand that a smaller order quantity may affect the per unit price. We would be willing to pay a slightly higher price per unit for a trial order. You've tried the search filters, you've negotiated like a pro, but the supplier is standing firm on their minimum order quantity. But this is not a dead end, it's just a detour. One of the most effective alternatives is to ask the supplier if they work with any trading companies or distributors. A trading company is a business that buys products in huge quantities from multiple factories and then resells them in smaller quantities to businesses like yours. Another creative solution is to find other small business owners who might be interested in the same product. You can connect with people in online forums, Facebook groups for entrepreneurs, or local business meetups. If the minimum order quantity is 1,000 units and you find 3 other people who want in, you each only have to commit to 250 units. This group buy approach allows everyone to get the product they want at the factory direct price without the massive individual risk. Navigating the world of Alibaba and minimum order quantities can feel like a big, complicated puzzle when you're first starting out. But as you can see, it's a puzzle that absolutely can be solved. It's not about having a huge budget or a giant warehouse from day one. It's about being smart, strategic, and knowing the right questions to ask. By using tools like the ready-to-ship section, mastering the search filters, and exploring the wholesale market, you can find incredible suppliers. Remember that negotiation is a conversation, not a battle. You're no longer just a small buyer, you're a potential long-term partner. Here at Yansourcing, we understand these challenges because we help new importers navigate them every single day. If you're feeling overwhelmed or just want a trusted partner on the ground in China to handle the sourcing, negotiation, quality control, and shipping for you, we're here to help. Our goal is to make importing simple and accessible for everyone, regardless of your order size. Your journey as an entrepreneur is an exciting one, and conquering the minimum order quantity is just the first of many victories to come. You've got this. The most important thing is to take that first step. Start small, test your market, and build your confidence one order at a time.